Honor has launched its new Play series phone in China called Honor Play 80 Pro with 5G support. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Honor Play 80 Pro features a tall 6.8-inch HD Plus display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 850 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 6S Gen 3 chipset, paired with Adreno 619 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6, 8, or 12 GB of RAM that can be extended up to another 12 GB by using internal storage, and it has 256 GB of onboard storage. As per the optics, the Honor Play 80 Pro sports a single 50-megapixel camera under the squarish module at the top left corner, with f1.8 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 7,000 mAh battery, with 45 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box, with Magic OS 9 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP65 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 166.89 by 76.8 by 8.24 millimeters, and it weighs around 207 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Honor Play 80 Pro has been priced in China for 6GB plus 256GB storage variant at 1,899 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 2,099 Chinese yuan. And the higher variant with 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 2,299 Chinese yuan. The smartphone will be available for purchase in the country in Phantom Black, Sky Blue, and Moonlight White color options. So, what do you guys think of this Honor Play 80 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.